Hey everybody, today is another plant haul video because I clearly have a problem buying plants. So actually this one was my husband's idea. We wanted some more ruby laura petalum to go along the newly mulched fence line, and I needed one more laura petalum daruma to finish the front flower border. So these laura petalums were on sale for $8.99, regular $19.99, but $8.99 or 10 for $89. So we did get 10 for the fence row, and then one to finish the plant border, the front border of the mobile home. But then we got all these. So let's have a look-see. We have a beautiful anthurium, and this was actually my husband's find. He thought it was beautiful, thought it would look nice around the man cave, which is a very shady area, but I think those blooms are just like really pretty. I'm not a huge anthurium fan, but man, that one's nice. So good find, hubby. And then he also wanted some colocaceas. So we have this beautiful black one here. It's called Black Sapphire Gecko, but I think that's gonna look really pretty with water droplets on it. I mean, you can already see, you know, where water had been on it, but that's gonna look so pretty with this one, Colocasia Mojito. Look at that. That is nice. And these were both, I believe, $10.99. A little bit pricey for me, but they're pretty and they'll last for years. And then I saw this cute little jasmine for $5.99. I mean, that's a pretty little star jasmine. So I'm gonna find some place to plant it where it can climb. Like, honestly, I don't know where most of these are gonna go. We just had to have them. And look at this bad boy right here. I should save it for last, but it's right in front of me. This is a variegated hibiscus, and I totally forgot the name of it. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to find the name. Hold on, let me find it. I'll be right back. Okay, it's called Heat Wave Hibiscus, and it has a cute little reddish orange bloom, which is really gonna stand out from this foliage. This foliage is kind of a hot pink with some dark black burgundy, and then some of the leaves are green variegated. I mean, how could I not buy this plant? And then the blooms are gonna be like an orangey corally red. That's gonna be awesome. And it's gonna go like right here, like right there. It's gonna fill in that spot, cover up the ugly stones that have old glue on them. Anyway, it's gonna look nice. And then got some really cool ferns. These are my husband's finds. He does love ferns, and these are some really cute ones. I do like these. There's the name. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. That's what they are. Okay. And this fern here, Southern River Fern, very pretty. Look at that little fiddlehead there, pretty. And a Dixie wood fern. So, let's see. Okay, all the ferns were $5.99. Not sure where they're gonna go. They may go around the man cave. They may go in that very far back flower bed. They'll probably end up around the man cave just because they're cute. Look at that. And then we got a cute blueberry bush. This one was a little expensive. This one was like $34, but it's loaded. I mean, there's two. Oh, let's see that. There's two blueberries. If that leaf will get out. There they are. But it is loaded. Loaded. This one, let's see, rabbit eye, blueberry, down home harvest, la la la. Southern Living Plant Collection. So we have 2 blueberries that my husband bought previously that we still need to get in the ground. But they're the exact same cultivar. And I was telling him we needed a different cultivar in order to get a better yield of blueberries, which I guess will be next year at this point, because this one is no longer in flower. And I don't think the other ones we bought have flowered yet. If they do, I don't know. Anyway, it'll be next year before they cross-pollinate. But we have a third, so we're going to plant the 3 together here in a bit. And then I got this philodendron, and actually my husband picked this one out also, so I'm going to blame a lot of this on him today. And I don't remember the cultivar name of this philodendron. The lady told me at the place there's not a tag with it, and I think she said it was either stained glass or cathedral or candelabra. One of those words, one of those fancy words. So I'm gonna have to look it up. But this will probably go around the man cave also. Really cute. And she said it's a dwarf, so it's not gonna get like ginormous, but it's a nice size specimen. I like it. And then I got a Boston fern. This was a great buy because it was marked $14.99, but there was a tag, like a little one of those stick tags just stuck in there that said $5.99. And when I went to check out, they're like, no, $5.99 is just for the tinier sizes, the quart sizes. I said, no, it was sticking right in the fern. So we walked back there. She's like, oh, you're right. And that's a really good deal. And I'm like, I know. So I got that for $5.99. And I also got some, hopefully this doesn't fall, some huge ajuga. Look at this ajuga, or bugleweed, bungleweed, whatever you want to call it. It was $1.89. Mahogany's the cultivar, $1.89. But if you look how many are jammed in there. There are so many plants in here. And look at the roots. I could totally break off and make like a bazillion plants from this one, from this one container. I'm excited about that. Same over here with the variegated ajuga. I don't know if this has, oh, and there's a snail. There's a snail just munching. Okay. Anyway, I do not see one of those little tags in there, so I have no idea what cultivar this is, but I thought the 2 would look really good together. I have a nice spot for them around the back porch. We just did some landscaping and put some hardscape stones around the back porch, which that will be in a separate video, but I think these will look so pretty. And I also got some trailing lantana. So this is the only one in this tray that's for full sun. Everything else is going to be shade, but this trailing lantana, I thought the white was just really pretty. Look at that bloom. That is so cute. And I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in the circle border here or maybe in one of the pots on the porch. I don't know. It's going to go somewhere because it's really cute. And I think this was $1.89, maybe $1.59. Hold on. These were pretty cheap. Oh, white trailing. There's a tag. Anyway, it was less than $2. And this coleus, I saw it at checkout and had to go run and get one for myself. They had some potted up in a container at checkout. I mean, I've never seen desert sunset before, and I'm in love with it. Look at the veining on that leaf and the color. That's so pretty. And I think this was $1.89 maybe. Anyway, it was less than $2. I had to have it. Had to have it. So pretty. I think that's everything. Oh, and the Medina has to grow. So I use this on all my plants. And usually I just buy the smaller, like pint size. I think it's a pint. But I just went ahead and got the gallon this time because I use it all the time. Now this was $20, but you only use an ounce in a gallon of water when you're feeding your plants, and you use a ½ ounce in a gallon of water if you're doing it as a foliar feed. It's a 6-12-6. That's NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. There we go. So I really, really recommend that stuff. All of my plants, my roses, everything I've put it on since I discovered it has just done so well. I wish I had discovered it sooner. So anyway, that is the plant haul. I have so many plants to get in the ground. I still haven't planted everything from the last plant haul. So I better go and get busy.